video, we are going to show you how to grow sunflowers. The amazing thing about sunflowers, they grow fast and they get really tall. Also, if you want, you can see if your sunflower can get the biggest with your grown-up or your brother or sister. First, you need to get an old pot and then you need to fill it up with soil. And then make 2 big holes so the seeds can fit in. And then take 2 seeds in case one doesn't grow. You still have a chance to win your race. And then lastly, you need to water them. But next, you need to put it in your greenhouse. But if you don't have a greenhouse, you can put it in your windowsill. If you're doing the competition, you don't want to forget which one's yours, so put your name tag on. Regularly water your sunflowers, and before you plant them outside, you need to wait for the last frost to come off. Subscribe for more of our channels, and we will tell you how we're getting on with our sunflowers, and we will tell you when our sunflowers have grown a bit. If you like our videos, press like. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked our videos. Bye-bye. Bye.